Hey guys, and welcome back to Tentworld at Burleigh. My name's Matt. Today I'm really proud to be showing off to you the new Darche 180 rear awning. But before we get into installing it and seeing what it looks like on the back of my cruiser, I'll just show you what comes with the kit. So mate, do you just want to get a little bit closer? Perfect. So what comes with the kit is the actual brackets themselves, the U-bolts to fix it, the nuts and the supporting straps to hold the awning out. So now we'll take a bit of a cut to it all done on the ute. Alrighty guys, so we've bolted the unit back on now and we're going to set it up for the first time. So it's simple as unzipping this, unvelcroing that, coming around like that, getting one of those straps we were talking about earlier. So why don't you come around here and I'll just quickly show you exactly what we're going on. So we've got the S hook here and then we're going straight into that loop like that, bringing it around to this clasp here. Nice and large awning for the rear of your vehicle. Obviously she's pretty freestanding, however in those events of wind you have the two removable poles that you can bring down so that you can guy rope this out to the ground. So that's it guys, that's the Darche 180 rear awning. We're really proud to have it in store. Go down to your local Tentworld and check it out today. Cheers.